1-hour French conversation for 4 weeks. So it's a one-to-one tuition, so there will be only one winner. For that, it's very simple. You just have to register by clicking on the link below this video and add in the comment of this video what subject, topic would you like to learn during this 4 hours conversation course. I will announce the winner next week, so do not wait to register today, and I will announce the winner next week on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. So stay tuned. Bonne chance et à bientôt!